There's a highway out of this town, and the stars light it up as they shine on down. She's driving off in this world alone. No, she ain't never going home. She lights a cigarette, puts one end on the steering wheel, and the radio plays her favorite songs. Please watch your step. If the lyrics get messed up, she won't give up and sing along. She sings along. The girl's always on the run, faster than a bullet from a gun. The girl's always on the run, faster than a bullet from a gun. She said so long, got rid of her phone. She ain't never going home. She sold all her stuff, it reminded her too much of him. From the couch to the sheets that they've been sleeping in. Now she's kissing brand new lips and trusting brand new eyes.
めっちゃ綺麗じゃない？
I'm sure that they don't realize it's in her eyes. The girl's always on the run, faster than a bullet from a gun.
あ、よ、いけてな。走ってる。急いでる。
Faster than a bullet from a gun. She said so long, got rid of her phone. She ain't ever going home.
まずはじめに
I still need to recover from another love. Be here for me. Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this
そうそうそうそう。うん。
What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me running through every
Vlog ネタに。
yeah, she's what I need. I still need to recover from another lover. You're my picture perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother when you could use the company. What shall we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What shall we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me running through evergreen, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need.
ずっとこれと回してたの。それといいかみたい。
Hey stranger, look my way, and you in town. I'm wondering your name, and I'm guessing that it's real pretty and then some. Hey stranger, look my way. The coffee wasn't great, but I'll stay anyway and come back tomorrow and order another one. Because I like everything about you. I like everything about you. Yes, I do. I see you standing there in your waitress active wear and think, you sure know how to do. I see you standing there wearing flowers in your hair and think, hey, you sure look like...
Please don't make me feel guilty. No, I'm guilty. Please, I'm so sick of feeling down, stuck in this city. We had the time of our lives, but now that's history. And I hope you miss me.